Hi everyone, this is Kai from RC Rocks. Today I will show you how to open multiple links from Google Sheets at once. Let's get started. Uh, for tutorial purpose, I have created one Google Sheet. This sheet name after a video tutorial, and I have pasted here 3. If you want, you can paste more link in this sheet. Then I am open a new tab, search Chrome Web Store. Then open Chrome Web Store, search extension and theme here. Multiple link. Open multiple URLs. And why I'm selecting this is a trusted extension here. 8 lakh users use this and 268 ratings here. That's why I'm selecting this extension. It's not promotional or paid content. Add to Chrome, add extension. Click extension icon. Open multiple URLs, extension pin, close Chrome Web Store icon, then all link copy, click open multiple URLs, paste here, click open link URLs. Look here, I have pasted 3 URLs. One is Chrome Web Store, another one is YouTube link, another one is Washington Post. First one is Chrome Web Store, second one is my YouTube channel link, and final one is Washington Post website. That's it.